This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to KKR Coders YouTube channel, JavaScript tutorials. My name is Kush Srinivas. In this video, I am going to discuss about for loop in JavaScript. For loop in JavaScript. Now the for loop in JavaScript. What is loop? First question. What is loop and what are the different types of loops are available in JavaScript? What is loop? Loop means a single statement, a single statement, a single statement or group of statements executed repeatedly, repeatedly. Same statements are executed repeatedly. This process is called a loop. This process is called a loop. But in JavaScript, suppose three types of loops. One is while loop, another one is a do while loop, another one in for loop. Now here we are discussing only for loop, Already do while loop completed and while loop completed, and we are discussing for loop in JavaScript. What is for loop? What are the different type forms are available in JavaScript? In JavaScript, for loop available in three forms. In JavaScript, the for loop available in three forms. One is simple for loop. And second one is for loop using in keyword. That means so indirectly it is called as a for in statement. Second one. And third one is for loop using of keyword for statement. In Java script, the for loop is available in three forms. The first form is simple for loop. What is simple for loop? Now write the simple for loop syntax. Here the syntax of the simple for loop is simple for loop. This is the first one, simple for loop. Here the syntax of the for loop is the simple for loop is a compact form of for loop. The simple for loop is a compact form of for loop. That's the first one. And in here, for loop, it includes in simple for loop includes three important parts. One part is initialization. The first one is the loop control variable. Initialization. And the second one is the loop control variable test condition. And the third one is incrementing or decrementing. That is a iteration. Iteration means either increment or decrement of the control variable. Increment or decrement. JavaScript for loop is available in three forms. One is simple for loop. The simple for loop. The second one is a for loop using in keyword. For loop using the off keyword. The simple for loop. It includes the three important points. One is the loop control variable initialization. Second one is the testing condition. Third one is the iteration. And the syntax of for loop for statement is as follows. The syntax of for statement is as follows. For initialization semicolon, test condition semicolon, test condition. The third one is either increment or decrementing. That is iteration. And the beginning of the loop and the statement 1 and statement 2, statement 1 semicolon and statement 2 semicolon. We are using statement 3 and so on semicolon. Number of executable statements is a for loop syntax. The simple for loop syntax is for initialization, testing condition, and incrementing or decrementing the testing condition. This is the initialization. The first part is initialization. 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 And the second one is the testing condition. Test condition. Test condition and the iteration. Now here in this loop, the first one is for is a keyword. For is a keyword. Is used in the for loop. The second one is initialization. Increase the value. And the statement 1 to n are called statement 1 and the statement 2 and so on and so on. Statement n are called body of the for loop. For example, here for example, we want to print the example one to print 1 to 5 numbers. 1 to 5 numbers using for loop. To print the 1 to 10, 1 to 5 numbers or 1 to 10 numbers using for loop. If you want to print the 1 to 5 numbers using for loop. How to maintain the for loop? This is a for loop. The for loop, we are using the for loop. For if you want to print the starting value is 1 and any value is a 5. Now it is the initialization. Initialization I equal to value 1 and semicolon. Testing condition I less than or equal to 5. Okay, clear? And every time increasing the value I plus plus. I plus plus means I value is increasing by 1. I plus plus. I value increasing by 1. At the document dot is output statement. Document dot write of I value. Print the I value on the screen. Automatically increasing this statement. Initialize the first I value is 1. In this loop, restarting, no n value. Here the statement is I value is 1. This is the initialization. Testing condition 1 less than or equal to 5. This condition returns the value equal to true. 1 less than or equal to 5. This condition is true. Then only execute the body of the loop. The output is print the value of the I1. Again, the control goes to back. Automatically increase the value by 1, 2. By 1 to increase the value I plus plus means I value is increasing by 1. Again, check condition 2 is less than or equal to 5. This condition returns true. Again, the document print of I value 2. Again, go to back, increasing I value 3 less than or equal to 5, 4. Similarly, 5. I value is 6 less than or equal to 5. This condition returns false. Then immediately execute the body of the loop. Clear? Exit from the body of the loop. Now, writing a simple statement, execute this statement using a simple for loop. Now write body of the program. Now we are writing a program by using the script tag. Script tag var I is a variable and the end script tag. SCRIP is script tag that is by the end. Now save the document and run it. The value of printed on the screen. The screen value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Print the values are line by line. Only one statement. If you want to print the next line, plus, break the loop, break the line using PR tag. Here, I value equal to plus I. And every time is increasing the value, run. Now I value equal to 1, I value equal to 2, I value equal to 3, I value equal to 4, I value equal to 5. So this is the initialization, testing condition, incrementing or decrementing. For example, if you want to print 1 to 10 numbers, how to print the value 1 to 10 numbers. This program to print the values are 1 to 10 numbers. Now the value is 10, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to I value equal to 11. If you want to print the 10 to 1 numbers, 10 value, and here the greater than or equal to 1. If you want to print the value 10 to 1 numbers, and every time decreasing by 1, minus, every time decreasing by 1, minus, decreasing by 1, minus, I value 10, I value 9, I value 8, I value 7, up to 1 value. Using simple for loop to print the values are 1 to 10 numbers, 1 to 10 numbers in JavaScript. This is a program to print 1 to 5 numbers. This is a program to print another example. Example 2 to print 10 to 1 numbers. 10 to 1 numbers. Okay, clear guys? Up to here clear? This is the first format, simple for loop. And the second one format is for in statement. For in statement. For loop using in statement. Here for loop using in keyword. For loop using in keyword. The first point is for in loop is used to traverse all the properties of an object. All the properties of an object. Traverse all the properties of the object. The second one, it is used to. It is designed or it is used to. It is designed for looping through iteration. Through arrays or iteration. Array is one type of iteration. It is designed for looping through the arrays. Now the syntax of this one is for in. Syntax is for loop in syntax is for using syntax is for in syntax is for consistent variable name in object name and the beginning of the classes and the statement 1 and statement 2 and statement 3 and so on statement n and end of the for the end of the for loop. In this example, in this syntax, the above syntax here, the above syntax for in or keywords, both are keywords. Object is a iterable. That is either arrays or strings or maps. Anyone in JavaScript. For example one, we are equal to, for example, any values. Okay, for example, C++ and JavaScript semicolon. This is the actual value for I in x begin and document dot right of x of I in the value of the x of I and begin simply. Now we are executing this one using script and script tags. Here this one script and using script tags. Now this is the code. This is the actual value using script tag, and written in the JavaScript script. I have for value, for loop, x value, C++ and JavaScript. These are the string values enclosed in the string value. Each and every iteration print the values, and I values are printed C++ and JavaScript. If you want to print the line by line, plus BR. These values are printed in line by line. X of 0 value, X of 1 value, X of 2 value automatically takes the 2 values. These are the using into the objects using for loop in using in keyword. For loop in using keyword. And the third important aspect is for of statement. For of statement is also very important. The JavaScript for of loops through the values of an iterable objects. For example, anyone it is array or something, anyone value, iterable objects. Now the syntax is for parenthesis variable name, we are using of iterable. Okay, and here the beginning of the classes, for loop begin classes. Okay, for loop begin classes, and any iterable object, statement 1 and statement 2, and statement 3, and up to statement n. This is called the statement n statement. Statement n. Okay, and here for and for of are called, of are called keywords, and of are called as a keywords. Okay, clear? And the next one, variable name is any variable. Statement 1 and statement 2 as a statement n are called body of the for loop. Now, variable name is any name of the variable. Iterable is a array or some any maps are and so on. Okay, now here an example. var any variable x equal to, for example, 11, 22, 33, and 44. Now these variables are declared as a any map type. Now here for I in x, for I of x, not in I of x. Again, document dot write of I. Okay, document dot write of I. Okay, and this is the complete using for loop using of statement. And now we are using for loop with of. So now this is x value, I of x, I value, print the values of the x. Now run the statement. Print the values are 11 and print the values are the 11, and I value first time is 11, and I value second time is 2, and so on. Now here print the values are 11, 22, 33, and 44. Okay, guys, up to here, clear all of you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. If you want to see the more videos, okay, please subscribe the KKR Coders. Thank you very much.